All right, guys, this is the update for Alibaba. Baba today 1.2% down move. And if you take a look at the daily chart, you can see for the past 3 days, it's been basically closing negative after this breakout of these moving averages of a 50-day and 200-day. And currently, stock is sitting right above its 50-day moving average. So what to watch from here? So I do think that this stock is still not out of the woods yet. If we just take a look at the larger picture and just switch to maybe even just a monthly chart, and you can see what has been happening this year so far, you can see even this year, if I just show you just this year's of candles, every single represents 1 month. So January, huge pump. February, gave it all back. March, pretty decent recovery, gave it all back and more. And May was down even more. So, and now June is not officially over, and stock basically is green for the month of June. But if you take a look at it from the last year of December, stock has done nothing. Basically, it has returned 0% in 2023, and it's been already 6 months, and it's not trending stock anywhere at the moment. And if you are looking to jump on it, maybe to trade or swing it, I don't think it's in a trend anymore. I mean, it's, if anything, it's in a sideways move downtrend, but it's not uptrending at this point. So, and I have been following this name for quite some time, but you can see what it did in 2022, and I do think that it can do exactly the same in 2023. So what to watch from here? So if this holds these 50-day moving average and tries to bounce, well, resistance would be this recent highs of a 94. That's where it needs to get back above, and then we'll have a resistance at 100 and 103. If it does slip below these levels and goes below 85, it can definitely go test $80 level. Below 80, we have a support at 75, and then we have a support at low 60s basically. So these are the levels I'm watching for Alibaba. And in terms of option activity, let's take a look today. 150,000 calls were traded, 60,000 calls puts were traded. So slightly more, basically twice more call volume, but there wasn't anything that stood out to me. Right here you can see July 21st, somebody bought 105 calls, pretty decent sizes, but you can't tell if it's someone who purchased these calls or they sold these calls. So not a whole lot of flow coming in. I can see a bunch of puts right here with the large volumes, but nothing exciting so far regarding Alibaba. There are some small orders, yes, but there's not like a big flow coming in terms of option activity into the name. So pretty neutral to slightly bearish to me, but that's what I'm watching for Alibaba. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.